So grains, look for them, use them, nutritious and delicious. So have some boiling water, some salt, and these are medium-sized couscous. You can get bigger size couscous, you can get smaller size couscous. It's all in putting it in the boiling water and just give it a stir, cover it, and let it steep in there and cook within the hot water, and it will look like this. And it's a great grain that has been reconstituted by the hot water, and it's ready to use. We're gonna make a great salad out of it. So let's make a dressing. I have some of these little cucumbers, I have some mint, some yogurt. So let's get the dressing going. There's always time to add to the dressing. A little bit of vinegar to this, olive oil. Okay, I'll just chop some fresh mint in there. So the mint is running away. Try to gather all the leaves together, double it, and then and mint goes a long way, so you don't need a lot of it, but a little bit is quite refreshing. Let's put in the couscous. And cucumbers. Of course, you wash them, and these are beautiful little cucumbers. They don't repeat on you. They're the right size. I'm having fun cutting, but I'm looking. I think this is enough. Absolutely. So let me gather it. They're all over the place. Let's put these right in. And some little cherry tomatoes, nice and ripe. And you cut them in half. Yeah, we can fit all of that in there. So let's take a look. Do I have enough dressing? I think I do, but I know what I'm missing. I'm missing some fresh pepper. I would like some fresh pepper in here. I put the salt in the couscous, but I know I need some salt for the cucumbers and for the tomatoes. So give it a good toss. This is a wonderful, refreshing salad, and this is all vegetarian. You can keep it, but you can add to this some cheese. You can add some chicken that you might have left over from a roasted chicken. You can add fish, shrimp to it, and really make it an abundant meal, a main course, rather than a refreshing salad or appetizer. So it's as simple as that. Let me taste it. Puckery good. So I think I will put some more mint on top. I think if we put just that there, that'd be nice. And maybe chop a few leaves just to put on top. Okay. Quick, delicious, easy, and for your buffet table, with your main course, with your grilling in the summer, whatever you'd like.